Picture, we've got this very strong jet stream coming down here across the Midwest, a lot of lift associated with that. Then looking at the map for this afternoon, we see strong mid-level winds coming out into this area of moderate to possibly extreme instability. A lot of instability available for developing storms, and with the winds coming out of the south-southwest at the surface and coming out of the west in the mid-levels, there's enough turning there to get some organization to these storms, and we could be looking at some supercells that are more capable of producing very large hail and damaging wind, but also possibly tornadoes, especially where we see a lot of low-level turning in the atmosphere, and that's most likely right along the warm front into southern Wisconsin. So that's the surface wind right there that starts out of the southwest and then turns around to the southeast right along that warm front. And at the same time, you've got winds at about a mile up that are coming out of the southwest and across that flow right in there. So that's a right angle, that's orthogonal. When you have that level of directional shear, it's a lot more likely that you're going to get the spin that gets ingested by the low levels of these storms and therefore leads to tornadoes. So that's going to be a particular threat in Wisconsin, but we could see that farther southwest as well. Pretty sizable area of potential severe weather in the Western Lakes back down into the middle Mississippi Valley. And right now what we've got is a 3 out of 10 on the Torcon, centered in southern Wisconsin, also in the northern parts of Illinois. So looking at the model forecast, model showing us this initial round of storms coming through. Then we see some discrete cell